In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Perplexity AI answer style. Start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity at AI. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want these preferences to apply, since answer style is saved per account. Once the homepage loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile icon there. This is the doorway to all of your settings, including how Perplexity formats and structures its responses. Click that profile icon to open the menu. In the menu that appears, select Personalization. This section is designed specifically to shape how answers look and feel, so it's the right place to fine-tune your experience. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the menu or expand it. The label is Personalization, and clicking it will take you to a dedicated page with style options. On the Personalization page, you'll find controls that affect two things: how long answers are and how they're formatted on the page. These settings don't change Perplexity's underlying capabilities. They influence the presentation so the output matches the way you like to read information. The nice part is that changes typically save automatically and apply to future answers, so you can adjust them anytime without hunting for a save button. First, choose a response length. You'll see options for short, default, and long. Short keeps things concise and fast to skim. Great when you want a quick summary or you're working on a narrow question. Default balances depth and brevity, which is ideal for most day-to-day queries. Long expands the answer with more explanation and context, useful when you're exploring a complex topic or prefer step-by-step detail in one go. If you're unsure, start with default and switch as your task changes. Next, choose headers and lists. You can pick list, default, or paragraphs. List presents information in a more structured, bullet-like layout that's easy to scan and prioritize, perfect for checklists, comparisons, and action items. Paragraphs gives you continuous prose, which reads more like an article or narrative and can feel smoother for explanations or overviews. Default strikes a middle ground and lets Perplexity decide when to use structure versus continuous text based on the query. Think about how you consume information. Scanning quickly favors list, while deep reading favors paragraphs. That's it. Go to your profile, open Personalization, set your response length, and choose your headers and list style. Adjust these anytime to match your current project or preference.